Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I am right near Bear Mountain with a great vacation rental home that just hit the market. 796 silver tip for $499,999. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street looking at 796 silver tip. So great thing about this one, ski slope views, really easy setting to get up here, great amount of parking. And so you've got this parking pad and also this parking pad. So over here, we're looking at probably 2 cars and the lot line likely being somewhere around here. And then on this side, you can fit another 2 cars easily, possibly 3, depending upon how big these cars are. And your lot line is going to be right here in the tree post telephone pole. So you got a nice railing right here so that you're not driving over. Very well thought out. And then here we have that it is a vacation rental. It sleeps 5 people, max occupancy of 2 cars. And the 2 cars is because there are 2 bedrooms. You guessed it. Yeah. Gonna come on down. You can see everything's tiered, graded, which is really nice because you can use that space if you wanted to, but they do have a deck in the back. We have a great roof, it looks like, very healthy right here. Air conditioning unit, covered front porch, and that cabin log look that everybody's looking for too. So stepping inside, got the old cabin feel to it. You've got knotty pine everywhere, and this is that upgraded paneling. So it's got a great vibe in here. And around just a little bit first, and I'm gonna actually go right. But one thing to point out, which I love, is this beautiful door. I love little vintage touches like this. But then it's got, the easy way of handling things, which is just a door code. Beautiful hardwood floors too. I love these, and they've kind of got like a matted brown look to them. Very clean, very clean. And it almost looks like they just recently did these. So we've got the living room that we kind of just walked through, but there is a second living room area as well. And then this is going to be the dining room. Look at this cool table. Really neat. And that's the AC unit that we saw from the outside. So well kept. And then you've got a view to the backyard right here. That's pretty. And then here we have like a wraparound fireplace. Let's see if there is a gas starter. It looks like there used to be a gas starter in there. Probably could go back to it. If you're not a fan of this more natural looking rock, people have painted it before, white, black, gray, taupe. And that way it really gives it more of like a vibrant look too. I just recently painted mine in Joshua Tree, and it came out fabulous because I had an artist do it. He made a sunrise out of it. So I mean, looking all around, like look how much knotty pine it is everywhere, which is just wonderful. That was an acorn falling on the roof. So here we have a little double Dutch door, which is so cute. And into what would be the master bedroom. A TV in the master. Beautiful wood all the way around. That is a queen size bed. So here's kind of the first time that we see some drywall, which actually I think looks really good in here. And the same floors as well all throughout the house. Here we have a little pocket door going into a bathroom. We've got a sink, and check this feature out. How great is that? I love when things are well thought out. And what a great shower. This is kind of that barnwood tile, and then like a subway hexagon tile. I don't even think I can call it that because that's not even a thing. Subway hexagon tile. It's either subway or it's hexagon tile. That was just hexagon tile. And then, of course, the closet in the main bedroom right here with its own pocket door as well. And we're going to go towards the kitchen after this. So we do have central heating. There is the intake right here. Unit is probably underneath us, but I don't honestly know. I could check, but it seems like we get to be on a build up at this point of the house. So what I love about this kitchen or this house is this kitchen. I love this old cabinetry. Like it's deep, but not like it goes into the wall so that it's not all the way out. Nice, great tile. And I love this sink. I just think this cast iron sink is one of the coolest things. I love a big, large sink. And I like that it's older and it's not one of those farmhouse pots and pans. Fridge and all of our kitchen utensils. And owner closet. And so here we are going into the second living room. So same flooring. It has its own heater back here. But kind of neat that you've got like a kid's living room and an adult's living room. So again, TV in here. And then we've also got a bedroom bathroom back here as well too. So going into the second bedroom, this one is a double queen over queen bunk set. So technically you could sleep like 6 people here for you. But if you were going to rent it right now, it's 5. Nice updated fan here. You got some nice views out the back. Love these big windows. And these shades are great too. It's like a material. And then here we have our second bathroom. So hexagon tile, and more white drywall, clean. And then got a little mixture of the blue from the kitchen and the white that we're seeing all the way throughout the house. We have a leaf. And this is a cast iron tub. Oh, and we have a little mountain spider. Two and a dead one. Not entirely sure what those guys are, but one thing I know is they are not the tarantula that I saw last night. So here we're going to go out to the back door, to the back deck. And I love, love, love when people have these lights outside. Hot tub. And it is partially fenced too. So if you've got a dog or something, children, keep them all in here. Got this antler. We did not come from anything in Big Bear, but you never know. And so you've got a little bit of a peekaboo view of the golf course right here. And then check out these nice big trees back here. And right through the trees, you can kind of see Bear Mountain right there. And let's go down here. So I don't have the key to the build-up area, but storage down below. And this is probably where our furnace and our water heater is, as well as the laundry too in the build-up area. So I see the water heater and the laundry would make sense. And then over here, I would imagine this fence line is probably not, maybe not the property line, because it usually doesn't run along the house like that. So it might come up from that post right there, kind of more at an angle than that. But that corner could likely be correct. So there we have it, 796 silver tip on the market for $500,000. Let me know if you want to take a look. Talk to you soon. Bye.